Present continuous part 4. Form and use. Let's see. Use. We use present continuous to describe actions that are happening in the present, right now, at the moment of speaking. The form, as I said in the 3 previous lessons, that present continuous consists of 2 parts. Verb to be in present simple plus verb plus ing. If we have just verb plus ing, it's not present continuous. If we have just verb to be, it's not present continuous. And to have present continuous, you should have verb to be and immediately after it, verb plus ing. To remind you that do and does, don't and doesn't, we don't use them in present continuous. We use them just in present simple. Signal words that we use in present continuous for actions happening right now. We have now, right now, at the moment, or sometimes when you listen, or look. So it means the action is happening now, is occurring now, is taking place now. Positive, negative question. Verb to be in present simple. I am, you're, he's, she's, it's, where, you're, there. Verb to be in present simple. Negative. I am not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. Verb to be in present simple question form. Am I, are you, is he, is it. Today we are going to see sentences with is she. And the answer, yes she is, no she isn't. Are we, are you, are they. Always write this form. Yes she is, no she isn't. So there is an S missing. It's not he, it's she. Try to write S. Try to add an S to this subject pronoun. So always write this form. Yes she is, no she isn't. Let's see some examples of verbs in present continuous part 4. The first example, she's drawing a heart on the sand of the beach. We sometimes, when we go to the beach, we try to draw a heart. And the water of the sea comes and wash it away. She's drawing a heart on the sand of the beach. She isn't drawing her dream house. Is she drawing you? Yes, she is. So if we ask you, these sentences are about now or about all the time? The answer is about now. The action is happening now. Why? How do we know? Because we have is and verb plus ing, present continuous. Present continuous means the action is happening now. The action is taking place now. The action is occurring now. So I'm not going to repeat this in the other slides. So just to understand it from the very first slide. So what we are dealing with is present continuous. The action is happening now, even if we don't have the word now in the sentence. Let's repeat after me these examples. She's drawing a heart on the sand of the beach. She isn't drawing her dream house. Is she drawing you? Yes, she is. Please don't move. Let's go to the next slide. She's crying a lot. When? It's now. She's crying a lot. She isn't crying a lot. Is she crying a lot? No, she isn't. She's calm now. Let's repeat after me these examples. She's crying a lot. She isn't crying a lot. Is she crying a lot? No, she isn't. Let's go to the next verb. She's staring at me. Verb stare, it means to look at someone with fixed eyes for a certain time. She's staring at me. She isn't staring at me. Is she staring at me now? Yes, she is. So as I repeat, stare, it means to look for a long time at a person or at a thing or whatever. She's staring at me. She isn't staring at me. Is she staring at me now? Yes, she is. Some students may say that we have star. No, it's not star, because if we have star, we are going to write double R, staring. Now this one, it's not staring, it's staring. Because the verb, the infinitive of the verb is S-T-A-R-E. E at the end. And the verb star, it's just S-T-A-R. And when we add ing, we need to double the R, staring. So here we are not speaking about star and staring. We are speaking about stare and staring. Let's go to the next slide. She's packing her suitcase. Packing her suitcase, it means to put her clothes on in the suitcase. She isn't packing his suitcase. Is she packing my suitcase? No, she isn't. She's packing her suitcase. She's packing her suitcase. She isn't packing his suitcase. Is she packing my suitcase? No, she isn't. Let's go to the next verb.